So I'm taking this video again from the Quebec airport. And so this one is kind of funny. If any of you have been watching my videos, you knew from a while ago that the last time I left Quebec City, it took me 2 days to get home because I ended up spending the entire day in the airport. It got canceled, and then finally I had to stay overnight and then leave at like 5 in the morning to get home. So funnily enough, I thought what I'll do in this video is I'm gonna start talking about Stop Chasing the Money Part 2. So this is Eric trying to get home Part 2. This will be Stop Chasing the Money Part 2. So the thing that I wanted to share with you this week is that there's been quite a few conversations I've had with a number of my clients and other accounting firms that I've talked to, prospective clients. You know, always have a conversation with accounting firms to see if we're a fit to work together. And the topic of unpaid bills came up. Probably everyone's least favorite topic. So when clients don't pay your bills. And so we had one person talk to me about not like they hadn't had the bill paid for almost a year, like this piling up and piling up and piling up. And why does this happen? It happens because we're uncomfortable. We don't have to have a conversation with the client. We don't have to chase them for the money. And another one was like, oh, they wanted to offload a client. So here's an example. They wanted to offload the client, but they still had the year end to complete. So they weren't finished. They hadn't switched over to the account successfully yet, okay? For this one client. They hadn't been on a subscription-based model. They were on a do the work, give the client a bill, and then beg to be paid model, which I call getting paid after the fact, which is chasing the money, which is not a lot of fun. So but they were getting pissed off that this client's got to go. We got to get rid of this client. I don't want to do their work anymore. So I'm going to tell them, I'm going to finish this year end and then you're gone. And I'm like, oh, whoa. No, don't do that. Because think about this. You're going to tell a client, I'm firing you, but I'm going to do all the work. And then you have to go find a new accountant. But I'm going to fire you first, do all the work. Then I'm going to give you a bill. Now, do you think you're going to get paid? Think about that one. Are you really going to get paid if you've told the client to go fucking take a hike and then you're going to try and chase them for the money? So two things that I wanted to highlight on this one. Actually, three things. Number one, stop chasing the money. Just stop chasing the money altogether. It's a waste of time. There's a way to fix that. Number two is when you're going to offload a client, make sure you collect all the fees and all your invoices before you fire them, okay? Because you're going to have a hell of a time chasing money. And the third one is, if you were on a subscription-based model, and this is one of the things that most accountants find incredibly freeing when they switch over to the accountant success formula model of doing business, there is an agreement that you sign with the client that says they can cancel at any time and you can cancel at any time. So it's either way. So if you want to, you just cancel the agreement with the client. Doesn't matter where you are in the life cycle, where you are in the time of the year, you can just cancel whenever you want. And it makes it so much simpler. But please try not to chase the money. Again, this is video Stop Chasing the Money Part 2. Hopefully I'm not going to do a whole bunch more videos in the airport trying to get home. Hopefully it'll be smooth sailing. And if it is, I'll shoot a video when I land in Victoria and it'll be another topic. And hopefully I'll be cheering going, yay, I made it home with no interruptions. Anyways, there you go. I'm Eric Solbakken, reminding you that when you take back control of your business model, you can take back control of your life. Stay tuned for more success tips to come. Ha ha! Guess what? I made it home.